Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Today our topic is IBPS PO Prelims Memory Based Questions. Today we are going to see two questions. Both are from same type. The 16th one is solve both equation and give answer. Solve both equation. They will give 1 and 2 equation. We have to solve and we have to give the answer. Option A, if x greater than y. Option B, if x greater than or equal to y. Option C, if y greater than x. Option D, y greater than or equal to x. And option E, x equal to y, or no relation can be established. Come on, let's start the question. What we have to do? We have to first solve the given two equations and we have to find which one is greater or equal or no relation among this. We have to find out. Come on, let's start this one. Let's take first equation, Roman letter 1 equation, x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. Take this, x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. What we have to do first? We have to multiply the third and the first one and we have to keep the second as it is. 15 here it's 1. There is no number, so we can consider this as 1. So 15 into 1, 15. And here it's minus 8. So minus 8. On multiplying, we have to get 15 and by adding we have to get minus 8. So 3 5s are 15. But here it's minus 8. So keep here as minus and also here as minus. Minus 3 into minus 5, 15. Minus into minus, 15. So minus 3 plus minus 5, we will get minus 8. Okay. Now right here we split it into two numbers now. Minus 8x can be split into two numbers. So minus 3x first and then minus 5x again and again plus 15. Now take x as common. X minus 3 here, minus 5 as common. So x minus 3. Minus 5 into minus 3 plus 15. So x minus 3. Now x minus 3 is common and x minus 5 equal to 0. That means x equal to 3, 5. This is the x value. That means Roman letter 1 answer. Now we are going to find for Roman letter 2. What is Roman letter 2? 2y square minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. Multiply this, 5 into 2, 10, minus 7 as it is. If you want to split means 2 5s are 10, but here minus 7, so minus 2, minus 5. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 5, we will get 10 and minus 2, minus 5, minus 7. So same minus means it will goes on addition. Now write the splitter numbers. 2y minus 5y plus 5 equal to 0. Now take 2y as a common number. Then what is the remaining one? Y minus 1. Can we take minus 5? Yes. Y minus 1. Minus 5 minus 1 gives plus 5. so equal to 0. Now take the common multiplier y minus 1 here. 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to 1 and 5 by 2, or we can say 2.5. So this is the Roman letter to answer. Okay, let's compare. This is a x and this is a y. Let's compare it. Which one is greater? 3 greater than 1 and then 5 greater than 2.5. So from the given question, option A is the right one. X greater than 5. Am I right? This is the x and this is the y. From this we can say option A, x greater than y, is the answer. That means option A is the correct answer. Okay, now we are moving to 17th question. Same model which was asked in a question paper. Now take the first equation and solve it. 2x square plus x minus 28 equal to 0. Multiply this one. Minus 28 into 2, so minus 56. Divided not 1. We have to separate this into two numbers now, so 1. Here it's 1. There is no number. Let us consider this one as 1. So I have written 1 here. What makes 56? Minus 56. Yes. Can we write 7 into 8 sir? 7 into 8 sir, or 8 into 7 sir? Any number you can write. Minus 56. So minus 7. Minus 7 plus 8 gives 1. Minus 7 multiplied by 8 gives minus 56. Okay, now write these split term numbers here. Minus 7x, or you can write plus 2 cannot be taken as a common number if we write minus 7. So write plus 8x minus 7x minus 28 equal to 0. Now 2x as a common one, x plus 4 minus 7 as a common one, x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 4, 2x minus 7 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 4 comma 7 by 2. This is the x value. Okay, now we are going to find for second one. 2y square minus 23y plus 56 is equal to 0. This is a typical number. See here, 56 into 2s are 112. We are going to split this now, and here it's minus 23. So what's the number? On multiplying the both number, we will get 112, and if we add and subtract the same numbers, we will get minus 23. What's the number? We have to find out that. So can we check out with 16 into 7? 16 into 7 multiplied by 7. So 6 sevens are 42, balance 4, 1, 7 plus 4, 11. Okay, 16 into multiplied by 7, we will get 112, and also if we add the both numbers, we will get 23, but here it must be minus because here it's a minus 23. Okay, now write the splitter numbers here. 2y square minus 16y minus 7y plus 56 equal to 0. Okay. Now take 2y as a common number. Y minus 8 minus 7 gives y minus 8 equal to 0. Now y minus 8 is a common one and 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now y is equal to 8 comma 7 by 2. So x equation is minus 4 comma 7 by 2 and y equation is 8 comma 7 by 2. Which one is greater or which one is smaller or both are equal? See here, here it's minus 4 but here is plus 8. So here y is greater than. And also here x is also 7 by 2 and y is also 7 by 2. So y is greater than or equal to, because here also 7 by 2, here also 7 by 2. Therefore y greater than or equal to x is the right answer. Therefore option D is the right answer. Option D, y greater than or equal to x is the right answer. Okay guys, here I conclude, and these are the easiest sums. Okay, from our school days itself we will practice these kinds of sums. So don't forget to do this sum in your IBPS or any other exams. If you have any doubt from this, feel free to ask me. Please give thumbs up, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. Bye.